you guys. We'll start exactly at 7. There's 5 more minutes remaining. Okay, great. Oh, Shivani is doing work. Okay, a bunch of productive people over here. That's great. I have also been working from home, and I'm really excited to meet you guys today in this webinar. You know, meeting people is great, even if it's virtual. Sayogita, what is today's topic? Sayukta, you must be seeing the slide which says Step Coach Unlimited. Today we are going to talk about a course from the Hindu group called Step Coach Unlimited, which will help you enhance your English language skill. I'm going to talk in detail about how this course is going to be helpful, what exactly is the content of this course, and what is the time duration. Every single thing that you need to know about Step Coach Unlimited, I'm going to be talking about it in the next 40 minutes. Saurabh, Monish, thank you. I am great. I'm doing great as well as I can during this lockdown period. I have also been reading a lot of books. Good evening. Great to see a whole lot of you here today. I'm excited to. I think that, sometimes you encounter some things which can be life changing for you. I hope that this product, Step Coach Unlimited, becomes one such product for you, which really helps you enhance your English skills and becomes a life changing product. Right, so we have exactly 3 minutes remaining to start. What is the age allowed for Sudarshan? This is the product for adults. So 18 and above, you are eligible to purchase this product and use it. It's not for kids. 3 more minutes to go. Monish is asking, will it help both in spoken and written English? Monish, that's what I'm going to explain in the webinar. If that is the kind of questions that you have, then this is the right place. You have come to the right place. I will explain everything in great detail about what this product is and how it's going to help you. I know that when you guys are investing, some time and energy and money in a product, you will want to know everything about it. I understand that I am exactly like that. And so I will do my level best to explain this to you. Monish, I'm 16 years old. Can I apply? I guess 16 years old, you must be finished your 10th. You must have finished your 10th standard, right? In which case, I think, yes, you can. As long as you have completed 10th standard. Shubham says it's so boring in lockdown, isn't it, guys? Yes, Shubham, it is boring, but also I think it's a luxury that we all are getting to say that it's boring. A lot of people out there are really struggling. So now that we have time, we should try to utilize this time and do something really constructive with it. Isn't it? Isn't that the case? Yeah? Yes. All right, guys. So now it's almost 7 o'clock. Let's start our webinar. Okay. So to begin with, let me tell you how you guys. So first, let me ask you a question. Do you want to improve your English skills but can't attend classes? I'm going to start a quick poll, and you tell me during this poll if you are one of these people. Okay. Do you want to improve your English but can't attend classes? Is that the case with you? Okay, a lot of you are saying yes, you want to improve your English skills. That's great. Okay, I'm just going to give it one more second. Okay, a good majority of you. Let me see. Almost 90% of you say that yes, ma'am, we want to improve our English skills, but we are unable to attend classes, and that's a real situation in this COVID scenario. We can't go out, but improving your English skills is really important for in the post-COVID world also, because the world is increasingly connected. With so much connectivity, your communication skills becomes extremely important. In fact, in the list of the important skills to have in the 21st century, communication scores up here. So it's really important for us, for our career development, for us to develop good English skills. So if you are one of these people who want to improve your English skills but cannot attend classes due to any reason, maybe it's your job, maybe you are, for some reason you can't travel, if that is the case, then this product Step Coach Unlimited is really going to be helpful for you, because this product helps you have a flexible schedule. You can access it anytime, you can access it anywhere. You don't need anything fancy for this. All you need is a mobile phone or any good device, right? So that is one great feature of Step Coach Unlimited, that has a flexible schedule. Okay, now the next question. Let me see how you guys. Have you ever wished for someone to listen to you speak in English, correct your mistakes, and help you improve? Have you ever wished for someone to listen to you when you speak in English, correct your mistakes, and help you improve? Have you ever wished that? Oh my God, that's a big majority. Okay, let right. So okay, that's huge. 95% of you are telling me that yes, we have wished for someone to help listen to us while we speak and help us improve. That is a real truth, guys. Even I have wished many times for somebody to coach me, to guide me. While there are a lot of videos and static things available online, it's not really the same as having a human coach guide you, isn't it? So Step Coach Unlimited, the product that I'm talking to you guys about, allows you to get connected telephonically over a telephone call to an actual live English coach. So Step Coach Unlimited helps you get connected telephonically over a phone call to an actual live English coach. Now the next question you guys are going to ask me is, oh really? I'm going to get connected to an actual live English coach. So who is this coach? Do you want to meet the coaches? Do you want to meet the coaches who will be guiding you? Let me know in the chat box who is excited to meet our coaches. So like I said, Step Coach Unlimited helps you or connects you to an expert English coach over the phone. Right now, I'm going to introduce you to one of our coaches, Coach Lalita. She is an extremely passionate coach, and her students have great things to say about her. Even I'm excited to introduce you to her. So let's hear from Coach Lalita.
Learners often tell me that they want to improve their communication skills and to be successful in their place of work or study. Coach calls give them opportunities to practice real life situations like everyday conversation and discussions, as well as making effective presentation. My learners get back to me after a few sessions saying that these tasks have really helped them improve their speaking skills, and they are now able to communicate and conduct meaningful conversations, participate in discussions confidently, and also make good presentation. So it gives me immense satisfaction to hear my learners talk about how they are able to put their best foot forward while they express themselves wherever they want and whenever they want. Thank you.
So now you heard from Coach Lalita. So as she says, it becomes really important in today's world for us to be able to communicate well. Sometimes we just don't speak up because we are afraid of making mistakes. And how can we correct this? Only by constant practice. In Step Coach Unlimited, you are actually constantly practicing English with your coach. You are producing language. The coach will give you many exercises to help you practice your work presentation, your everyday conversations, anything you prepare for your interviews, and that way you have enough practice. So when you're faced with an actual situation, you will be able to ace it. Practice is the key to be successful in any language, including English, right? Okay, so that was Coach Lalita, and her learners love her. She has really helped improve the communication skills of so many of our learners and give them the confidence to grow and be successful in their careers and in their studies and so on. So here is a story of one of our learners. His name is Rafat. So Rafat was a PhD scholar, and you know how when you're doing PhD, you need a lot of really good English skills. Now Rafat was suffering from a lack of confidence because though he knew English, he knew to write English, he had a lot of difficulty in actually speaking up because he did not have the confidence. And he wanted someone who's non-judgmental to listen to him, to practice, and to guide him. That's how he came to us and opted for Step Coach Unlimited course. He used it for 3 months and he found it so helpful that he extended the course duration for 1 year. And he says that he has had a very drastic improvement in his writing skills. He is constantly in touch with the coaches, and he is one of our success stories, one of our learners who has really enjoyed this program. Okay, I really wanted to tell you about him because sometimes when we see people like us utilizing a course and growing because of it, it gives us a lot of encouragement. It gives me a lot of encouragement, right? Okay, so now next question. Have you ever wished for someone to read your writing and give you personalized attention on how to improve it? Writing. So many of you have been asking me about writing. That ma'am, will this course help me improve my writing skill? Have you ever wished for that? That someone would read my writing and correct my mistakes. I don't want to just attend any class. I want a coach just for me. Have you ever wished that? Wow, this is huge. 98% of you say that yes, I have wished for someone to read my writing and help me correct my mistakes. That is very common, guys. Writing is a very complex exercise which needs a variety of skills, including comprehension, sentence structure, etc. So it's not very easy, and sometimes we may make mistakes in writing. So it's very important when you are trying to master a language to have enough written and speaking practice. With this program, with your coach with you, giving you the kind of boost that you need, the coach will constantly review your writing, give you the right guidance that you need, help you focus and help you improve your English communication skills. So to answer the question, yes, with this program, you can help your writing skills as well, right? Now I want to introduce you to one more of our coaches, Coach Maha. Coach Maha is one of our young and one of the most friendliest coaches. All her students talk about her friendliness, her non-judgmental attitude, and her commitment to excellence. Let's hear from Coach Maha.
We have quite a few learners who have learned English either at school level or at college level, but still require a lot of improvement, especially when it comes to communicating. Yeah, and though having said that, we have quite a few learners who are already well spoken, but they have been growing up with this habitual, grammatical errors, and or maybe require an extensive vocabulary improvement. So as a coach, we help them rectify these errors and also help them not only with grammatical concepts, not just teaching them grammatical concepts, but also helping them or teaching them how to apply it in their daily life. Yeah, because we know what grammar concepts are, but utilizing them or applying them in the right context and at the right place is what makes a communication effective. So yes, as a coach, we ensure that this is met with and their goals are met with. And the best part of the coach calls being it's a 30-minute intense one-to-one session. So the attention that each learner gets from the coach is really good, because we help them with their queries, we help them with speaking.
So we heard from Coach Maha. So as she said, some of us may be well spoken. Still, English is not our first language. English is the second language to most of us. Because of that, we grow up with certain grammatical mistakes, with certain errors in our pronunciation, with certain wrong sentence structures, etc., which affects our communication, which makes our communication appear less polished. So these tiny things, or these things, can be improved only with guided practice. And that is what Coach Maha was saying. One of the USPs, or one of the important factors of this course, Step Coach Unlimited, is that you get intense personalized experience, where an expert English coach is only focused on you, your mistakes, and to help you improve. So that is something which is very rare in any of the English learning programs out there. Personalized attention makes a drastic difference in learning. Not just in when you are in school, you might have been a class of 40 people. Teacher can never give personalized attention, but you might see that your parents have sent you a tuition center and your marks have suddenly improved. Why is that? That's because of personalized attention. So one of the important factors of this course is that it gives you, one, flexibility. Whenever you are free, whenever you have time, you can talk to your coach. Second thing, the coaches are experts in their field. They're certified people. Third thing, the coach is going to give you individual attention, personalized attention. And fourth thing is that coach is going to help you in the area that you want improvement. You might be like Rafat, a PhD aspirant. You might be a 12th standard student attempting a board exam. You might be maybe a UPSC aspirant. You might be a working professional. Whatever be your need, here you are not talking to an AI. You're not talking to some kind of passive video. You're talking to an actual live human coach. So a human coach can really understand your issues and help you resolve them. Now I want to introduce you to yet another of our learners. Her name is Soumya. Now when I talk about the human component of Step Coach Unlimited, this is what I want to highlight. Soumya, while she was doing the course, she had a personal tragedy and she had to slow the course down. She thought that she might not be able to complete the course. She is an IELTS aspirant, but her coach, being a not a computer, not a machine, a human person, understood her perspective, reached out to her and encouraged her to be focused at her goals, to achieve what she started out. And Soumya, at the end, now she's completed her IELTS with a good score, and now she's pursuing her education abroad. So that is the power of human communication. That is the power of a human being there to help you, and that is what Step Coach is bringing to you, right? Okay, now we spoke a lot about coach calls, right? So what are these coach calls? How are they going to help you? Just talking on the phone, can it really help me? What is going to happen in the phone calls? All these questions might be there in your mind. I'm going to help you answer all these questions. Now, when you purchase this course, Step Coach Unlimited 1, it's a certification course. Many of you are asking me, is it a certification course? Yes, it is a certification course. You will be certified at the end of the course. Second, you will get to speak with the coach at the time of your convenience. After you sign up for the course, you will be asked to choose a slot. You will be able to get up to 3 calls with the coach. Third thing, after each coach call, you will be assigned a task. After you talk to your coach will assign you a task. You will need to complete that task before you book the next call. It's very important that you complete that task. Only if you complete that task, the coach will really understand where you stand and can help you improve. So you complete the task, you book the next call. You can get up to 3 calls in a week. Okay. Apart from all this, you get access to 3 premium courses which has up to 300 video lessons. So you get all the advantages here in one course. You get access to a human coach over a phone call, plus you get 300 plus video lessons from premium courses that we offer. So when you are not talking to your coach, when you have free time, you're always free to go through those video lessons, which has many, almost all topics that you can imagine in English language. It is covered in those 300 video lessons. Right now, coming back to the coach call. Now I said this course connects you to an expert English coach on the phone. So what is this coach call and how does it work? Coach call is usually of a 30 minutes duration. Okay. Now, in the first part of the coach call, the coach will give you instructions for a particular task. And why is this task important? Because only when you do the task, when you perform the task, the coach will be able to understand where you stand and will be able to give you the personalized and focused feedback that you require. Okay. Now, first step is the coach gives you instructions for a task provided. Now, this is an opportunity for you for freely producing language. You're not a passive consumer here. You are also freely producing language. Now, what are these tasks? It could be anything. It could be a role play. It could be a lot of things, right? Now, I want to play to you an actual coach call, right? I want to play to you an actual coach call. So I'm going to do that. Let's listen to the coach. Here, it's an actual coach call. Let's listen to the coach giving instructions to a learner for a task. This is just to give you guys an idea of what a coach call is like and how it's going to help you. Now, how does the coach give this learner instructions for a task? Let's listen to that.
Okay, Preeti. So next, let's do an activity. I will be giving you a scenario and we can role play that scenario. So the scenario is you are at a dry cleaning center and you had given your suit for dry cleaning, and when you collected it after the dry cleaning, you realized the suit was burnt in multiple areas. So you have come back to the store now and you're asking for a refund. So I'm going to be the cashier and you are going to be a customer. So let's role play this. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what you listened to was an actual coach call where the coach is giving a task to the learner. Now here, this particular task is a role play. And why is it important? This role play is about a regular everyday scenario that we all come across, which you also may have come across. Now, when the learner actually performs this task, the coach will listen very carefully, understand her weaknesses. Where is she going wrong? What is her mistake? And correct her. So this is just one example of the tasks that the coach can give you. Okay. Now, the next step in the coach call is the learner performs the task. Now, the coach calls can be role plays, it can be discussions, it might even be a presentation, right? Now, let's listen to this particular learner perform her task. Let's listen to that video of the learner performing the task.
Hi, ma'am. Welcome to our store. How can I help you?
Hi. I got my suit dry cleaned from you yesterday, but after reaching home, I realized that there are holes in my suit because of overheat. How you could be so careless?
We sincerely apologize for the mistake, ma'am. This is the first time we are receiving a complaint of this kind. We have always provided satisfactory service to our customers. We're really sorry for this.
Now what are you going to do about this loss?
I can't take a decision, ma'am. My manager is out of town. Once he is back, I'll explain what happened and we will see what we can do.
I need the refund. I cannot able to wait till your manager comes back. This is very serious issue.
I get it, ma'am. The maximum.
Okay, so you listen to the part. I didn't play the entire video; it's quite long, but you must have gotten an idea about how the learner performs the task. Do you think this learner did a good job? Do you think this learner did a good job in performing the task? Do you think this learner did a good job in performing the task? She did well. Do you think so? Okay, Rudraj says yes. Okay, Vidhi says yes. Okay, a lot of you not clear. Okay, yes. Some of you says yes, not so much. Yes, no. Okay, but this is a real life scenario which you may also have experienced. How many? A lot of us would have asked for refunds, right? So yes, the learner has performed the task. She did well. Okay, good, fine. Now what happens? The next step is the coach provides feedback to the learner. Now in this case, the learner has performed the task. Next, the coach is going to provide feedback to the learner. How did you do? What exactly your mistakes were? Now let's listen to the video of the coach giving the feedback. Language needs to be polite, says Lucky. Lucky, good. That's a good observation. Anyway, let's listen to the coach giving feedback to the learner. Okay, how is the coach giving the feedback? Let's listen to that.
Very good, Preeti. That was a nice conversation. You did not scream at the cashier and you're very polite, and you did not use much fillers. You're very fluent. As a listener, it was very clear for me, and your pronunciation also was was correct in most places.
Thank you, ma'am.
So while we were doing the role play, I noted down a few errors, and can we look at them now?
Yes.
Okay. So you said, after reaching home, I realized that there are holes in my suit because of overheat. Do you think we can rephrase this to make it sound better?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
So what would you use instead of there are holes in my suit because of overheat?
Can I use burn?
Okay. You're almost right. So would you say burn or burnt? So this has already happened. It's completed. So what tense should you use? Is it burn or burnt?
Past tense, ma'am.
So how would you frame this sentence again?
Burnt.
Okay, so that was a long call. Since because we don't have time, I just stopped it a little bit. But you would have got an idea about how the coach was correcting the user. On the telephone call, they had a role play. Now the coach is pointing out the mistakes to the user. Sometimes when we talk and we immediately get a feedback, it registers better for us. Here the coach is giving immediate feedback. In this case, the coach is correcting certain grammatical errors which the learner has done. So during this feedback, coach corrects the language errors, the quality of content, even the pronunciation, right? So that is what happens in the third step of a coach call. So first one, the coach gives instructions for a task, the learner performs the task, then the coach gives a feedback. Now after the feedback is done, what does the coach do? Coach gives a mini session. Coach teaches the learner. Okay? Coach actually teaches the learner where he has gone wrong. This is the final part of the coach call. So in a coach call is not just a casual conversation, just what you and I might have on the phone. It's a structured academic exercise to help the learner really get better at the language. Okay. So now the last part of the coach call, coach does a teaching session. Let's listen to a little bit of a teaching session from an actual coach call video. Let's listen to a teaching session.
Now that you have confusion with articles, shall we look at them in detail?
Okay,
because of and the and all of that. Let's look at them
Yes,
in detail.
ma'am.
Preeti, in English we use and the as articles. For today or in today's call, we could look at and the, and in another call we can also look at an. So can you tell me when we use a while speaking? When do you use a?
When we speak about one thing,
Okay.
we use a.
So can I say, can I ask you if it is singular or for plural?
For singular, ma'am, one
Yes.
one item.
It's always a book, not a books.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. And when do you think we use the?
For some kind, specific kind.
Okay. So we use the with nouns.
Okay, ma'am.
And also when, like you're right, when you said specific things, when you're referring to a particular thing, then you use the, like the boy fell down. So here,
Okay, so that was a little bit from a teaching session. So like I said, the 4 parts of a coach call: first, instructions for a task, learner performs the task, coach provides instant feedback, and then the coach teaches the learner. What does a coach teach a learner? Grammar functions, it could be vocabulary, it could be phrases, it could be exactly what that learner needs at that point. That is the magic of personalization. Here the coach is teaching the learner exactly what went wrong for her, right? Okay, now many of you are asking me, what about writing? Can we use this for writing? Yes, just like how I explained how the coach is going to help you in speaking. Your task in writing, just like the coach gives you a task in speaking, the task in writing will be an essay, it could be an email, it could be a report, an article. Again, once you write and submit this, the coach will give you the feedback, and then the coach will teach you where you have gone wrong. Okay, now, so these are some of the examples of assignment. Speaking assignment can be a speech, it could be an inspiring, persuasive, it could be different kinds of speech. Writing assignment can be an essay, it could be an email. Whatever it is that you need to learn, you need to tell to your coach, and the coach is going to personalize the course only for you. Okay, Step Coach is a very personalized program which is going to help you improve your English language communication skills. And all of you here attending this webinar, you guys are very lucky because you are getting a 60% discount on this course. How do you avail the discount? Just above the chat window, there's a yellow sticky note. Click on the blue link on that sticky note and use the coupon code COACHWEB. It's written right there. Use the coupon code COACHWEB to get a 60% discount. Isn't that great? It's only an exclusive offer for people who are attending this webinar. So make use of that offer. It's a limited period offer. It's only for a day, right? So to purchase it, click on the blue color link about on the sticky note. Use the coupon code COACHWEB. Okay, right. So like I said, Step Coach, it's highly flexible. You can talk to your coach at any time. You get up to 3 coach calls in a week. A coach call is a very structured call which helps you improve whatever faults it is that you have. It's a highly personalized program. All our coaches are experts with years of experience. They really can help you drastically improve your English language skills. And you not just get the coach calls, you also get 300 plus online videos, 300 plus videos covering every possible topic you might require for your English language preparation. You get 300 plus videos, plus you get up to 3 coach calls in a week. And moreover, you get a 60% off. How to avail the 60% off? For all the people private messaging me, click on the blue color link on the yellow part of your chat window. Click on that. Use the coupon code COACHWEB. Right? That will give you a 60% discount. If you guys have any questions, please ask me in the chat window. I'll be happy to help you. Tell me about the fee. Arvind, if you go out to the market and check for an English tutor or even a one-on-one video call tutor, you will see that the charges are sky high. Here, we are giving you 60% discount due to the COVID situation. So we are giving you a 60% discount and you can avail 3 months for 3,999 only. Okay, 3,999 only. Neeraj is asking 3 one-on-one call. Neeraj, it is 3 calls in a week. So you can have as many calls as you want, 3 calls in a week. This Sriram step for working professionals course is included within this course. If you purchase this course, you also get access to step for working professionals course. Why is it only a one-day offer? It is much costly. Arvind, do not say that. If you look at the market for English learning programs, all programs are more expensive than this. And when you are talking about a lifelong investment in yourself, you are talking about a big investment in improving your communication skills. This is an effective course, and based on the quality of the course, the price, I feel, is a really good offer that you guys are getting now. Kalyani, you can all go for a 3 months program, and post that you can, if you wish, extend. Rafiq, if you're looking for a working professional course, this is the right program for you, because if you purchase this program, the working, like I said, you get 300 plus videos, right? One of the premium courses included within this course is a working professionals course. So if you purchase this program, you get access to the working professionals course from STEP for free. So purchase this and you get unlimited phone calls with a coach also. How to book the course? Guys, to purchase this course, click on the link above the chat window and use the coupon code COACHWEB to get a 60% discount. Cost of 3 months course, guys, it is 3,999, which I think is a great bargain, because you're getting a very personalized, highly focused experience, which is going to drastically improve your English language skills. Can the duration and the number of calls per week be extended? Why I say three calls a week is because you, after the coach talks to you, coach is going to give you a task. You will need to submit that task before booking the next coach call. So for that, you will definitely need time. 3 calls a week is more than enough, I think, for you to see a drastic improvement in your English language skills. If I purchase the course today, could I start the course after 1 month? Why would you do that, Rafiq? You have a duration of 3 months for this course. If you want to start after 1 month, for 1 month, you will not be booking a coach call. You can go on and book your coach calls in the next 2 months. How to get the coupon code? Chalmers, the coupon code is COACHWEB. Nagarjun, why can't it be all everyday offer? Nagarjun, we don't conduct webinars every day, so this offer is a special offer for our webinar viewers. Can the duration, if you do not complete it in the stipulated time, can you extend the duration? Atul, that we do on a case-by-case basis. If your case is valid, we can try it. Okay, to purchase a course, again, I repeat, click on the blue link and use the coupon code COACHWEB. You will get a 60% discount. Step Coach Unlimited includes all the plans. Anshuman, Step Coach Unlimited also includes the Step for Working Professionals, Step for Competitive Exams, and another premium course from Step. So it includes 3 premium courses within itself. So you get not just the support of your coach on the phone, you also get access to a range of interactive, interesting, engaging videos which cover a whole lot of topics. Can I get 60% off from 3,999? Sharukesh, no. See guys, the price of a course is commensurate to its quality. If you want a high quality course, obviously you will have to pay the price. Having said so, I feel 3,999 is a great bargain and a wonderful discount for you guys. So please do make use of this offer. Course is 3,999. Guys, if you see 3,999, that is because you are visiting the page from this link that I have given you. The coupon is already applied and hence it is 3,999. The actual price of the course is much higher. Have already paid for working professionals course. Can I get 60% discount? Murli, you can get 60% discount if you use the coupon code COACHWEB. Okay, Lucky, what are the premium courses covered under this offer? Lucky, if you purchase Step Coach Unlimited course, you get 3 other courses along with it. One is Step for Working Professionals course, second is Step for Competitive Exam course, and another is Step Online course. So 3 courses are covered in it. Step for Working Professionals is a course aimed at helping working professionals improve their skills. Competitive Exams is for students, and Step Online is a course which is common for which is a common course which helps you improve many grammatical concepts using videos. You also get, I paid 6,999. I couldn't learn because I was engaged. Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, Ashraf. I hope you will join us again and you will be able to improve your English course. Sanjeev, if you want a course which helps you in interview preparation, this is the right course for you. When you purchase this course, you get coach calls which can help you with interview preparation. All the topics that you may need for your objective exams will be covered in Step for Competitive Exams. And to polish your email writing skills, you have Step for Working Professionals. So everything under one umbrella you get. So I think this is the right course for you. Samit, I do not think so, Samit. Ma'am, 36 coach calls 1-to-1. Is it right for the duration? Yes, Sulochana, a maximum of 3 calls you can make in a week. You can make the next call only after you submit the task. So yes, 36 calls in a duration of 3 months sounds around right to me. Ashraf, can I join the course without payment? No, Ashraf, that is not possible. Helpful in communication, Sanjeev, definitely. This course is definitely helpful for you in communication. IELTS preparation, Atul, while we do not explicitly say that this course is for IELTS preparation, it can definitely help you improve your English language levels, and hence after your English language level is sufficiently improved, you might get a better score in IELTS. But we do not say this course is only for IELTS preparation. This course is a course for enhancing your communication skills for your life, not just for any exam. Pavitra, this course is with a 60% discount, you can get 3,999. Saurabh, what is the first thing you learned from this class? Saurabh, this is a personalized course, so whatever you wish to learn, you can tell your coach and the coach will give you the personalized essential help. Tanuj, yes, it is extremely helpful for vocabulary and comprehension. Priya, please visit please download Step app. You might be able to find something there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for attending this webinar. Thank you for interacting with me. Thank you for being a great audience. You can, Jyotika, I did not get your questions. Please, okay, for all of you asking me how to purchase, click on the blue link in the chat window. Use the coupon code COACHWEB. You can purchase the course. Flexible timing. Yes, Lochana is flexible timing. Tejo, the intention of this webinar is to explain, since we're getting a lot of queries from people about how this course works, this webinar is to explain about how this course actually works and how this course can benefit you. Is it the right for a teacher trainer? Sure, Kingchuk, it will help you. See, we do not say that this is a teacher training course. This course will help you improve your English communication skills as a whole. This is a course for your life. This course will really make a drastic difference in your English language speaking and also writing. So I cannot really say it's only for teachers, it's for everyone. Helpful for placement, Jyotika, definitely. This I can definitely say that this will be helpful for your placement. You will be able to have a lot of mock interviews with your coach, and that's going to improve your confidence level is definitely going to be helpful for placements. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Jyotika, yes, Jyotika, this will be helpful for placements. It will help you clear the English part of the placements and also help you give a polished interview performance. So I think it's definitely helpful for your placements. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, for actively. Rahul, yes, it is helpful for interview. Okay. Tanya, yes, it will help you improve your English speaking skills for sure. Okay, so here you can get a 60. So like I said, guys, for all of you messaging me to purchase, click on the blue link, use the coupon code COACHWEB. You'll be able to get a 60% discount, right? Isn't that awesome? Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you all for being a part of this webinar. I definitely had a great time interacting with you guys, and I hope to see you guys as a part of STEP family very soon. It's been amazing. And hope you guys make use of this awesome exclusive offer only for you guys, attendees of this webinar, and take the right step to help you improve your English communication skills and grow in your career and studies. All right. Thank you so much, guys. See you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.